So today was another good day. Thought I would go and take another look at the house. And it's good for three things. Number one, I found out and confirmed it is a south-facing rear garden. Beautiful. Secondly, I re-met the next door neighbour again, and he is an absolute legend. Allowed me to go in his garden to inspect mine, and it was a total jungle nightmare to the extent that I could not see 5 meters ahead of myself on the floor. However, it turns out that the gardens are relatively similar in size, and due to my calculations, because I know my foot size, 28.5 centimeters, the garden should be, if my calculations are right, 25 foot by just under 18 feet. Gives me some options once I clear that out. The third thing, it's got solar panels on the roof. Now, I know nothing about solar panels, but I will be contacting solar panel companies, seeing what the options are with regards to that. Number one, it's going to make the house more cost effective to run. Brilliant. Number two, it's going to increase the value of the properties. So you may be asking yourself, why am I filming myself in bed? Well, contrary to popular belief, this is not my OnlyFans. It's to give you a different insight to what you probably wouldn't see on other videos. My work ethic, like I cannot sleep when I get something in my mind. I'm going. So at the moment I've been fixating, going down rabbit holes, watching YouTube videos. Channel 4's The Great House Giveaway is a massive inspiration to me. They get a lot of help with their renovations, but just to see what can be achieved in what timescales, what budgets. And then from there, I'll see one thing, tool or a method or a company, and then I would just go down the wormhole of researching everything about that tool or that company or that style. And I'll come away after 3 hours just with intimate knowledge about that one thing. But over a period of weeks, months, years, I've accumulated quite a lot of good knowledge and hypothetical experience, which I'm hoping is going to do me some good. Anyway, this should be the last time you see me in bed. Floor plan time now, so let me know what you would do with this space if it was yours, and drop your comments below to give me some much needed inspiration. So my initial thoughts are, I'm going to come in from the hallway to the living room as is. That's going to be the main functional area with no real changes. The garage, I'm possibly going to put in a door just for easy access so you don't have to come in from outside. And what was the kitchen area, I intend having that as a utility and adding a downstairs toilet, potentially where the little pink box room is that you can see just behind the door there, if there's enough space. The door in question is going to be staying as it gives access to the sideway. And if you move over to the basement, the storage area is all going to get knocked down, giving an open plan kitchen diner. Along the exterior wall, we're going to have bifold doors, or in an ideal situation, an extension, doubling the size of that kitchen area. Moving over to the first floor now. The stairway, I really want to make a feature of this, either glass or some wire staircase, something like that. Bedroom 3 is going to stay the same as bedroom 1 with a lovely ensuite. The only difference being is on the exterior of the windows, we're going to have Juliet balconies. Moving over to this little box room now. This contains the storage water heater at present. My intentions, I'm going to partition this wall off, making bedroom 2 a lot greater in size and useful area. Same again with the Juliet balconies. Bedroom 4 is going to stay the same, and on the landing here, as we move from left to right, I'm going to put a door frame where you can see here. What that will mean is that I can take down the existing wall between the toilet and bathroom and make it a luxurious space. Ideally having enough space for a walk-in shower, a standalone bath, and in an ideal world, a double vanity unit. So I'm taking this video from my stairs, where I've been for the past 15-30 minutes. I've lost track of time because my back's gone, and this is concerning. So I started this video in Mexico, and I wasn't there for a holiday. I was there for stem cell therapy for my back, because I have 3 really bad degenerative discs, which are prolapsed, and they're sore. They're bad at the moment. They're pushing on my central nervous system, and when it happens, and when it's a bad day, it's a bad day. So right now, I've gone downstairs to get a hot water bottle for my back, and it's taken me the best part of an hour to do so. It's not pleasant today. Now I'm including this in the video because this is my main fear and the thing which I think is going to cause me the most problems with this project. I'm doing and relying on this project being done solely by myself, no tradesmen, which means I've got to put in the graft and the hours and the hard work. But when my back's like this, I can't move, I can't get out of bed, I can't do so many stuff. So it's going to be a fun ride. It's going to be a fun ride. Stem cell treatment, if it works, it takes between about 3 to 5 months to show real signs. The work commencing is going to be about 6 weeks from when I did it. So I'm just hoping and praying that I can do it then. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you this other side, which wouldn't normally be seen to a property transformation video. Signing out.